Greetings and welcome to this tutorial about multiple processing parameters. The objectives here are to import a part and support structure into Netfabb simulation and to apply different machine parameters to each geometry. In early releases of Netfabb simulation utility, we had to use the same processing parameter file, also known as a PRM file, for all parts and supports in a simulation. In the 2018 release, we provided greater flexibility, so now you can apply multiple processing parameters to a build and designate which file applies to which part or support structure. Here in Netfabb simulation, we see a part and support on a build plate. To assign processing parameters, on the Home tab, click the Machine button. Focus on the processing parameters selection where we see three options. The first one, uniform for entire build, used to be the only option. In other words, a single PRM file. If we choose the second option, unique for all parts and unique for all supports, we see the dialog change so that we can select one PRM file for the parts and another for the supports. There is also a third option, per geometry, which provides the freedom to apply PRM files separately to each object in the build. And the assignment is done in a different part of the user interface. Over in the browser, we see all geometries listed. We right-click on each one and select Processing Parameters, where a menu opens for us to select the PRM file to use for that object. So this tutorial has demonstrated that Netfabb simulation provides several ways that are both convenient and flexible for assigning processing parameters.